milk antibiotic detection procedure using Eclipse 4G test kit. We have thermostatic device, we have Eclipse test kit, sample milk, and the use and throw plastic pipette. For that, we have to set the temperature 65 degree and put the test, add the milk sample in the wall, incubate them 2 hour 15 minutes to 2 hour 45 minutes. In this procedure, we need to observe the negative control. During these 2 hour 15 hours and 2 hour 45 hours, the negative sample will turn yellow or yellow green. This is the optimal incubation time. Usually this kit can be incubated 2 hour 15 minutes to 2 hour 45 minutes. This is the settings for Eclipse 4G. First we have to set temperature 65 degree and set the timer 2 hour 45 minutes, that is 165 minutes. So this machine can be used in all test kit, advanced test kit. This is the auto drop lever. For this Eclipse 4G, we don't need this auto drop, so we remove it. I'm just going to turn on the device. These are all the walls. We are going to put these walls here. First I show you how to set up the device. For that I need to go program mode. I turn off this. I simultaneously press set button and start button and turning on the device so that it goes to the programming mode. Now it is in the programming mode. First it asks us to set the temperature. Now it is 30 degree. We need to set it to 65 degree. Okay. And if you press start, it goes to the timer 1. For timer 1, we have to set 165. That is 2 hours 45 minutes. Okay, now set. Now it asks to set a timer 2, which is not required for this particular test. So I again press start. That is now programmed. Now it is stored the temperature 49 degree. Now we put this. I take the milk sample using this plastic pipette, pour the milk, again I take, you should use a different use and throw pipette for different samples. Since this is for demo purpose, I use the same. Okay, now we press start. We have to turn off and turn on. Now I am starting the timer. Let us wait until this temperature comes. Now the device is heating these walls. This indication, the heater means the machine heating the walls. So now it stopped. We can start timer. The green timer 1 indicates timer 1 is started. So now the incubation is started. You can read visually after the incubation time is over. Thank you.